In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import in Lucidchart quickly and easily, so you can bring in diagrams from other tools instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. If you work with Visio files, Draw.io files, Gliffy or OmniGraffle, this can save you a ton of time and make your workflow much faster. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Lucidchart and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the plus new button. This is where Lucidchart lets you start a new document or bring in an existing file. Click plus new, and from the menu, choose Import, Document, or simply Import, depending on what appears in your version. After that, Lucidchart will ask you what type of file you want to import. This part is important because Lucidchart supports a few different diagram formats. For example, you may be importing a Visio file like a VSDX or VDX file, a Gliffy file, a Draw.io file with a .drawio or .xam extension, or even an OmniGraffle file. Choose the file type that matches what you already have saved on your computer. Once you select the import option, you'll see the upload window. From here, click Choose File to browse your computer, or if you prefer, you can drag and drop the file directly into the upload area. Then select the file you want to upload. After you choose it, Lucidchart will begin processing the import. Depending on the size and complexity of your diagram, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the import is complete, Lucidchart will bring the diagram into your account. In many cases, the file will open automatically right after processing. If it doesn't, go to your Documents area and open the newly imported file from there. Now that your diagram is inside Lucidchart, you can start editing it. Just like any other Lucidchart project, you can move shapes, update text, adjust connectors, or clean up any formatting that changed during the import. This is especially helpful if you're moving a diagram from another platform and want to continue working without starting over. If you're importing something for a team project or a client file, always take a quick look after the upload to make sure everything came in correctly. A fast review can help you catch missing shapes, shifted connectors, or formatting differences before you continue editing. And that's it. Now you know how to import in Lucidchart in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.